FlyEnv presents a native local workspace for development services. Open Qdrant from the database server group and view its available releases. Choose a Qdrant version and FlyEnv downloads the package into the local environment. When the download completes, the Service tab lists the installed Qdrant versions. Open the installation path to inspect the Qdrant files on disk. Start the selected Qdrant service directly from its row. Use the Configuration tab to review the Qdrant settings in FlyEnv's editor. The Log tab confirms the running service and shows its local dashboard address. Open the local Qdrant dashboard in the browser. The dashboard includes a console for exploring Qdrant's API. Browse the local collections and datasets views. Back in FlyEnv, the running Qdrant service remains available beside the dashboard. The tray menu also exposes quick controls for the active service. Select an installed version and control it directly from FlyEnv.